This one bell pepper recipe gives you carbs, protein and fiber so much that you will feel full and satisfied. These vegan stuffed bell peppers can be cooked ahead and stored in the refrigerator up to 3 days, and it saves so much time for meal planning. Stay till the end of the video as I will be sharing as to why this is a wholesome meal. And hey, if you're watching me for the first time, welcome to Alchemy. The star ingredient for today's vegan meals is bell peppers, or also called as capsicum. Now let's make the stuffing or filling. In a pan, pour in some oil and fry some chopped red onions. And then add green chilies. Meanwhile, just blend in some tomatoes and 4 cloves of garlic and add it to the pan and get them cooked for a couple of minutes. We then add in marinara sauce and bouillon paste. These are optional ingredients, but it really elevates the dish. Now it's okay if you don't have them, you can just add 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. The 2 key ingredients. Half cup cooked quinoa. Now this gives us around 95 calories. Now quinoa has a relatively low glycemic index score of 53, which means that it should not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. Now this is really important if you're looking at blood sugar regulation and weight loss as a goal. Instead of quinoa, you can also replace with any grains of your choice like barley or rice or buckwheat. Now add in a handful of cooked chickpeas. These are gonna give you around 74 calories. Chickpeas are high in protein and fiber, which makes them a great filling addition that may help lower the appetite and reduce the calorie intake at meals. Now that sauce is ready, let's get on to how to prep bell peppers. Of all the kinds of bell peppers, red bell pepper pack the most nutrition, and one red bell pepper gives you 31 calories, and it's mainly comprised of water at about 91%. The dietary iron absorption by our body increases significantly when you consume fruits or vegetables high in vitamin C. So one medium-sized red bell pepper may contain 169% of the RDI for vitamin C. And wait, it's also rich in antioxidants, which improves our eye health. This is why this vegan stuffed bell peppers is a wholesome meal. Scoop the filling into the capsicum or bell peppers and portion them correctly so that each one has enough combination of chickpeas and quinoa. Now 1/2 of this vegan stuffed pepper is enough for one person. Bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. How do you know if it's cooked? If the knife slides through it, then it's done. You can have them right away or elevate these vegan stuffed bell peppers for beginners into another level. How? Add in some homemade vegan cheese and few dollops of vegan sour cream. This makes it creamy and cheesy, which ticks all the boxes for kids and for cheese lovers. Now if you want to know the recipe for vegan sour cream, check the description below. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why the red bell peppers are a bit pricier than the green bell peppers? And why do we see more of the green ones in the market? And which one do you like? So if you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like button so that it can reach more people, and subscribe to the channel if this is the kind of video that you would love to watch. Sprinkle some cilantro as garnish just before you eat. Now if you're making this for your weekly lunch or dinner meals for a family of 4, just double the recipe if you want it for 2 days. And talking about weekly meals, here is a crunchy KFC kind of a dish that can be prepared with oyster mushrooms. And until next time, see you later.